Welcome to our detailed tutorial on duration gap. Today, we're diving deep into this advanced financial concept and its implications. To understand duration gap, we first need to grasp the basic concept of duration. Duration measures the sensitivity of a bond's price to interest rate changes. Imagine you own a 10-year bond paying an annual coupon of 5%. If interest rates rise by 1%, the bond's price will fall. Now, let's bring in duration gap. The duration gap measures the difference between the duration of assets and liabilities. For example, suppose Bank A has assets worth $1 million with a duration of 5 years and liabilities worth $900,000 with a duration of 4 years. Let's calculate the duration gap. Given total assets equals $1 million, duration of assets equals 5 years, total liabilities equals $900,000, and duration of liabilities equals 4 years. Assuming the equity is $100,000, our duration gap becomes. So, a duration gap of 10 years means if interest rates increase by 1%, the bank's equity would decrease. Let's visualize this with a graph showing the relationship between the duration of assets, liabilities, and the calculated duration gap over different interest rate scenarios. Banks use duration gap to manage interest rate risk. If a bank has a positive duration gap, rising interest rates could reduce its equity. Conversely, if the duration gap is negative, falling interest rates could erode its equity. Next, let's test your understanding with a few questions. Question 1. If a bank's assets have a duration of 7 years and liabilities have a duration of 3 years, with an equity of $200,000 and total assets of $2 million, what is the duration gap? Answer: duration gap equals 7 to 3 asterisk $2 million / $200,000 is equal to 4 times 10 equals 40 years. Question 2. What does a duration gap of 0 indicate? Answer: a duration gap of 0 indicates that the durations of assets and liabilities are perfectly matched, minimizing interest rate risk. To summarize, understanding and managing duration gap is crucial for financial institutions in protecting their equity from adverse interest rate movements. Thank you for joining this insightful session on duration gap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more finance tutorials.